Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to prepare rosemary water spray. I'll also be using it on my hair for 5 days to see what my hair will look like, because I've made some research and I found out that rosemary helps to promote hair growth. It helps in blood circulation to the scalp. So I'll be using this dry rosemary for this tutorial, and this is the quantity I'll be using. First, boil hot water, then add it to the quantity of rosemary that you will be using. There are two methods, which is also boiling the rosemary together with water, then allow it to settle for hours or overnight. For this one, I will also allow it to stay overnight, then come back and see what it looks like. This is how rosemary water looks like when stored overnight. So when you store rosemary overnight, this is how it should look like. This is how the rosemary is looking like. I'll be pouring the water in my spray bottle for the usage. In my opinion, I don't know whether to add the rosemary in the water. At first, I didn't add the rosemary in the water. As you can see, this is rosemary. On the second thought, I felt like adding the rosemary in the water for the 5 days that I'll be using it to increase the nutrients. So I'll be adding the rosemary back into the water to increase the nutrients of the water. I'll be adding pure almond oil into the spray bottle. Like I said, I will be doing this experiment for 5 days. So first, I want to measure my hair. This is where my hair reaches. This is just the tip, the last tip of the hair. This is where it's touching. And the other side, I think it should be the same. This is where the tip is also touching. So I'm going to do this for 5 days to see if there is changes, if the rosemary has any effect on my hair. Look at all you've gone through, all the crazy and the bittersweet too. All the while your heart's on fire, keeping off to your own desire. Look at all you've endured, heartaches that have crushed your worth. All the while your mind's at war, you keep coming back for more. Why do you keep coming back for more? 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 Yep. Okay guys, it's the 6th day and I'm just anxious to see the result of this. And one thing I can say for sure is that my edges, I can see some hairs like it improved, and I'm so happy, guys. Wow. Before, my edges was so bad, but now I can see some edges. Back to my main hair, I'm going to be doing the testing to see the result. I don't know if it's from me, but I think it's maintaining the same length, or maybe it grew half inch, it grew an inch or half inch. So that's the difference. That's all I can say. I'm still going to try the other side to know whether there is difference. Guys, to me it's just the same, or maybe a little bit different from the other one. So this is it. And another thing I must say is that this thing improved my scalp. Like, my scalp feels so neat. Even without washing the hair, it feels so neat, guys. So if you have used rosemary water spray before on your hair, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what it's like to you. Did it improve your hair? Did it do your hair before and after? Just tell me what it's like to you so that we can know what this rosemary water spray is all about. This experiment was just for 5 days, guys. Maybe doing this experiment for a longer period will make the results to be more noticeable. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Bye.